Good morning, dear students and parents. From today, we'll be starting with our online classes and we begin with English. For English, we have the book Revised New Oxford Modern English, Course Book 3 by David Hosberg, Nicholas Hosberg, and Claire Hosberg. Students, you must have seen many birds around your house. Maybe you must have seen them when you are playing in the garden. You must have seen the birds on the tree. On televisions also many a times you see birds. Yes or no? Most of the common birds may be near your house also. Can you imagine few birds that you have seen and try to name them? Okay, here. I'll do one thing. I'll give you a little description of the bird and you guess the name. A green bird that can talk or imitate or copy human beings. It's a parrot. The bird that is a national bird and it dances in the rain with all its feathers spread. It's a peacock. Yes. And a very common bird that you see maybe sometimes on your terrace also. It's a very common brown bird, small bird. It's a sparrow. Today, our topic is also a bird only. And the bird that we are going to read a poem on it is a robin. Robin is a type of a bird which sings very sweetly. Students, here is the picture of a robin bird. It is a very small bird but it sings very sweetly. And we do not know the name of this poet because it's anonymous, because it's not been told to us. Okay, so we don't know who has written the poem. So let us all read the poem. I'll recite the poem, students, for you. You first listen to me and then I would appreciate if you try to read it with me in your mind. Robin sang sweetly when the days were bright. Thanks, thanks for summer, he sang with all his might. Robin sang sweetly in the autumn days. There are fruits for everyone, let all give praise. In the cold and wintry weather, still hear his song. Somebody must sing, said Robin, or winter will seem long. When the spring came back again, he sang, I told you so. Keep on singing through the winter, it will always go. This is the entire poem, students, but now we would read a set of 4 lines, that's a stanza, and we will try to understand what every stanza means. Okay? You can read it. I'll read it in your mind along with me. But you need to pay attention when I explain the stanza. Okay? So here we go. Robin sang sweetly when the days were bright. Thanks, thanks for summer. He sang with all his might. Students, I am giving you a minute for your silent reading of this first stanza. Then I would explain the stanza. I hope you all have read it. Okay. Robin sang sweetly when the days were bright. Now, when are the days bright, children? It's when the sun shines, when the sun is very bright in the sky, and we are going with the same season. It's the summer. And the robin says, thanks, we should be thankful for the summer season. And he sings with all his might. That means he sings with all his power, with all his strength. He sings and he says we should be thankful that it's the summer season. Okay, so here in the summer season, the robin sings very sweetly and the days are very bright over here. Here in the summer season, the bird robin sings with all his strength. Let's go to the second stanza, students. Robin sang sweetly in the autumn days. There are fruits for everyone. Let all give praise. Robin sang sweetly in the autumn days. Students, autumn is the season before the winter when leaves fall from the trees. Okay, so here in the autumn season, Robin did not stop singing. He kept on singing in the same sweet manner. And he said that let us give praise, let us praise the Lord, let us thank Him, let us be thankful to Him, for there are fruits for all of us, because we can have so many fruits, we have so many things for everybody. So let us all be thankful to Lord. Robin sang sweetly in the autumn days. There are fruits for everyone. Let all give praise. Kindly read it, children, in your mind. Now we go to the third stanza. In the cold and wintry weather, still hear his song. Somebody must sing, said Robin, or winter will seem long. In the cold and wintry weather, in the cold season, in the winter season, what happens, children? Everybody feels little cozy, everybody wants to sleep for little more time, and when mama comes and calls you, come on, it's time, get up, you have to go to the school, get ready. So you say, no, please give me 2 minutes, let me lie on the bed for 3 minutes, let me do this, let me do that. You try not to, you try to get 2 3 minutes extra for yourself to relax. But here, Robin did not do that. It was cold and it was very wintry, but we could hear his song. He was still singing and he kept on saying, somebody must sing, he said, or else winter will never go only. It will be as if winter season is going on and on. It is not ending up only. So, in the cold and wintry weather, still hear his song. Somebody must sing, said Robin, or winter will seem long. Kindly read it, children. Now we go to the fourth stanza. When the spring came back again, he said, I told you so. Keep on singing through the winter, it will always go. When the spring season came after the winter season, okay, the robin bird said, I told you so, keep on singing. The bird said that if we keep on singing throughout the winter, this winter will always go. It will not it will not linger on, it will not be going on only. So from this means that whatever work we are doing, we should keep on doing it throughout the time. We should not say that no, now it's this season, so I will not do my work. No, that's your job and you should keep on doing it. Okay, so see, similarly the bird is giving us a very beautiful message in this tough time also. It's we are going through a very tough time, isn't it? Many of us are sitting at home, but what should we do? As a teacher, I should teach. As a student, you should learn. Okay, the school is running, so this means what? We should all keep on doing our thing the same way as we were doing, with so much of enthusiasm, with so much of uh, strength, and we should not lose interest in anything. Okay, children, so I hope you all have understood the poem, and once again, last, I will recite the entire poem for you all. Listen to me very carefully, and then maybe tomorrow we'll do the question and answers of this poem. Robin sang sweetly when the days were bright. Thanks, thanks for summer, he sang with all his might. Robin sang sweetly in the autumn days. There are fruits for everyone. Let all give praise. In cold and wintry weather, still hear his song. Somebody must sing, said Robin, or winter will seem long. When the spring came back again, he sang, I told you so. Now, see why I'm changing my voice? Because here's an exclamatory mark. He sang, I told you so. Keep on singing through the winter, it will always go. The name of the poet isn't given to us, it's an anonymous. Okay, so I would appreciate if you read the poem thoroughly. Do it for your own self. Don't ask your parents to read it for you. You have to read it and be good children. Okay, because you are good. So you have to be the same. You should not deteriorate yourself. Okay, children, till the time I speak to you again, goodbye. Take good care of yourselves. Don't trouble your parents also. Goodbye, children.